Good morning, LC people. Well, I had a bit of a sabbatical for the last sort of 10 days. Collected a few bits for this while I was away. This is the LC engine from the Norfolk bike. I've got some new rubbers to go on it. Y clips, the cobs have been done. I make sort of sonic clean them, beautiful. So they're one assembling. I might put that top end on this motor this morning. Yeah, I don't know the story with this. A good friend Ian Buchanan donated us a bench grinder that we needed. Another pillar drill. I bought these air blaster things from Timu. Might be worth a try. Some new brushes and a chuck there. I'm going to get my mate to weld on one side or t'other on that, so I can have the situation of a time. What's come in? Yeah, my bike stays here now. This 250 LC come in. Not been on the road for a long time. Wants a thoroughly good bloody clean. Yeah, I think this hasn't been on the road for, I don't know how many years it is. But I'd need to look at the guy's post. But yeah, that'd be interesting. I think it's a tyre bar model, it is. This one's coming with oil leak. I've still got the TZR to look at, and obviously the Norfolk bike to finish. But my mate put the tyres on it while I was away, bless him, and sort of had a bit of a clean up around the swing arm. It looks a bit more presentable now. So I think once the engine's done and back in, it's not going to be far away. But yeah, that's all I can tell you at the minute. Yeah, it's a Sunday morning. I don't work at the weekends. I just brought the bits down so they're not hanging around my flat that I'd ordered while I was away. But yeah, looking forward to next weekend. Hope the weather's kind for Donington's, whatever it is. We all go every year, don't we? So I'll be taking that to a couple of stands over the weekend. And I think it's Newark the following weekend. Apparently a lot of people are going Nerdog, so... Well, yeah, that's all I can tell you for now. And I'll keep you posted next week. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.